Presenting ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14, 14 inches FHD 120Hz, Ryzen 9 4900HS, RTX 2060 Max Q 6GB GDDR6 graphics, gaming laptop, 16GB, 1TB SSD for Mega Siemens Office 2019, Windows 10, Eclipse Gray, Anime Matrix 1. 7kg GA401IBHE182TS. Processor, AMD Ryzen 9 4900HS processor, 3. 0 GHz, 8 MB cache, up to 4. 3 GHz, 8 cores, 16 threads. Memory, 16 GB 2x 8 GB DDR4 3200 MHz dual-channel RAM, upgradable up to 24 GB using 1x SO-DIMM slot with storage, 1 TB M. 2 NVMe PCIe 3. 0 SSD. Graphics, dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 Max Q GDDR6 6GB VRAM. Display, 14-inch 16:9 Full HD 1920x 1080 300 nits brightness, anti-glare IPS-level panel, 120Hz refresh rate, 100% sRGB, Pantone Validated, adaptive sync, 85% screen-to-body ratio. Software included: pre-installed MS Office Home and Student 2019 operating system, preloaded Windows 10 Home 64-bit with lifetime validity. Design and battery: nano-edge bezels, metallic body with Anime Matrix display, 6536 CNC milled dot matrix design, honeycomb reinforcement chassis, thin and light laptop, 9 mm thin laptop weight, 70 kg, 76 Whs, 4-cell lithium polymer battery. Cooling system: ROG Intelligent Cooling, self-cleaning fan design, dual-end blade fans, 81 blades in each fan, 15 mm slim copper pins. I/O ports: 1x3. 5 mm combo audio jack, 1x USB 3. 2 Gen 2 Type-C, 2x USB 3. 2 Gen 1 Type-A, 1x Type-C USB 3. 2 Gen 2 with power delivery, DisplayPort 1. 4N G-Sync support, 1x HDMI 2. 0B. Other, 1 touch login power and fingerprint reader white backlit keyboard, Intel Wi-Fi 6GB plus 802. 11 AX 2*2 Bluetooth 5. 0 quad speakers built-in array microphone without web camera ROG sleeve for 14-inch laptop. Warranty: this genuine ASUS laptop comes with 1-year warranty. For product-related queries, contact the brand at contact_us on 1-800-20-90365. Please check the detail page for the latest information on warranty, payment options including no-cost ME and exchange offers, delivery options, and more.